Hello learners, we are together again to continue with what we are doing in our last lesson. The unit is percentages. We are studying about percentages. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to convert fractions into percentages. So the subtopic is conversion of fractions into percentages. How to convert a fraction into percentage. Conversion of fractions into percentages. So for example, a fraction like, you may be asked to convert 3 over 8 into a percentage. Convert 3 over 8 into a percentage. So here is the answer. Now since one whole learners, since one whole represents 100%, one whole represents 100%, then 3 over 8 of the whole, because a fraction is just a part of a whole. If you have, say, a half is a part of a whole. For example, if it is a circle, 1/2 here is a part of the whole circle. So a fraction being a part of a whole, then we're saying if you want to convert 3 over 8 into a percentage, then you will take 3 over 8 of the whole, which is 100. So 3 over 8 of the whole is equal to 3 over 8 of 100% and this means 3 over 8 times 100, 3 over 8 times 100, which is equal to 300 over 8. 300 over 8. Let me come this side. 300 over 8. 300 over 8. 300 over 8. If you are to divide 300 by 8, 8 goes into 300 how many times? 3 times, giving us here 24. Then this is 60. 8 goes into 60 how many times? It goes here 7 times, giving us here 50. 56, remainder 4 here. So the answer is, this is 37 4 over 8. 37 4 over 8, which is the same as 37. This cancels out, go there once, goes here twice. This is a half, 37 and a half. So this will be equal to 3 over 8%, which is equal to 300 over 8%, which is equal to 37 and a half %. 37 and a half %, which can also be written as, if you so wish, you can write it as 37.5%. 37.5%. So that is how to convert a fraction into a percentage. You have said since 1 whole represents 100, if you want to convert 3/8 into a percentage, you multiply 3/8 times the whole. That's what we have done here, and the answer is 37.5. 37.5. Learners, I want us to try another example. Conversion of fractions into percentages. Conversion of fractions into percentages. So we'll do change 3/4 to a percentage, express 2/3 as a percent, change 3/4 to a percentage. Example 2, change 3/4, change 3/4 to a percentage, to a percentage. How do you convert this into a percentage? You've said since 100% represents the whole, therefore 3%, 3/4 converted into a percentage, we'll take 3/4 times the whole, okay, times the whole. So this is equal to 300/4%. 300/4%. 3 times 100/4. Then we come here and divide 300 by 4. 4 goes into 30. How many times? 7 times, giving us here 28, then 25. So 3/4 as a percentage will be equal to 75%. 75%. 75%. That is example number 2. Let us try example number 3 together. Example 3 now. 3 reads, express 2/3 as a percentage. Express 2/3 as a percentage. Express 2/3 as a percentage. And here is the answer. To express 2/3 as a percentage, we take 2/3 multiplied by 100%. This will give us 200/3. Then we can divide 200 here by 3. 3 goes into 20 6 times. We have 18 here. Then remainder 2. 3 goes into 20 6 times again. Then you have 18. Remainder 2. So the answer is 66 2/3. 66 2/3%. This is 66 2/3%. 66 2/3%. Now I want to do another example. Change the following fractions into percentages. Change the following fractions to percentages. Let me write the fractions. Change the following fractions to percentages. Example 3. Change the following fractions to percentages. Following fractions to percentages. A, let me write the fractions here on the board. A, we have 7/10. B, we have 20 over 20. C, we have 49 over 50. Then D, we can try 4 over 25. 4 over 25. Let us work these ones out. Answers. Learners, it's very simple. We said if you have a fraction like 7 over 10, to convert into a percentage, this will be equal to 7 over 10 times 100%, which will be, in this case, this one cancels out with this one. Then we have 7 times 10 giving us 70%. 70%. We have converted 7 over 10 into a percentage. Alternatively, we can say this is equal to 700. This 7 times 100 divided by 10. We cancel this with that. We still have 70%. 70%. Then we have now B, 20 over 20 converted into a percentage will be equal to 20 over 20 times 100. 20 over 20 times 100%. Times 100%. So this 20 cancels out with this 20. Remaining here is 100%. So 20 over 20 is the same as the whole. Okay, we said the whole is represented by 100%. So if you have a number like 20 over 20, a fraction like 20 over 20, 20 over 20 is just equal to 1. It's equal to 1. This one is equal to 1. All right, this is a whole number. Whole. That's why it is equivalent to 100%. Is represented by 100%. The whole is represented by 100%. Then C, 49 over 50 will be equal to 49 over 50 times 100%. Times 100%. 50 goes here once. 50 goes here how many times? 2 times, giving us 49 times 2. This is equal to 8 here, 9. This is equal to 98%. 98%. All right. Then learners, D. D is 4 over 20. D, 4 over 25 is equal to 4 over 25 times 100%. Times 100%. Times 100%. This 25 goes here once. 25 goes here how many times? It goes here 4 times. 4 times. Leaving us with 4 times 4, which is equal to 16%. Learners, we have worked out enough examples together here on the board. That does it for today. I want to stop there so that you can do some exercises from your book. I want you to go to your book and do the following exercises. Do the following exercises. Exercise 63. I want you to go and do question 1 up to question 4. Question 1 up to question 4. Do question 1 up to question 4. I always remind you at every end of the lesson, if you have any question regarding what you have learned, or you have any question regarding the exercise that I have given you, you are free to ask your question. Below this video, there is a comment section where you can post your questions. Thank you for attending our today's lesson. Let us meet in our next lesson, where we learn more about percentages. God bless you.